Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12 by 12 inch canvas and a desire to do escape. So I am going to just start by giving myself some Artist Loft white for my sky and or whatever, a little electric blue from Arteza, some purple flash from Folk Art, which is color shifting, a little bit of Arteza, a little bit of Anita's white metallic with pink in it. Let me grab my lighter colored blue, hopefully. I'm going to try and start by covering my canvas, but I'm not sure how far that's going to go. So I'm just going to go back. Aha. Well, hopefully my husband will realize that the people with the food are here because I can see them pulling into the driveway. I want that to go up before I let it go down again and across. I don't really want this to be part 1 and part 2. And I think I'm going to take some of my Anita's white metallic. I can lay my hands on it easily. And that's it. And continue. I will most likely use whatever comes off on my edge catcher to go back in my sky. And I'm going to move that down. I'm going to grab everything off my edge catcher first. There's still a little yellow paint from the last one on there. I'm just going to use the paint to facilitate moving the sky down pretty well, pretty much. Put a little bit of the Anita's. I'm going to take a straw. Mix that up a little bit. Bring my edge catcher back up. Let it all go across again. Now I've got something I like more. Let it all go down. The weight of the paint pulls everything, whether it's even or not, evenly distributed or not, I want to say. So I'm just going to let that all go down again. Could be a snowfield at this point. I see I have something in there that I do not want in there. And if I see another one, oh, I didn't finish up here. Okay, never mind. I'm just going to let everything keep moving down. I'm going to rinse my hands off because I need to. Now, I have plenty of stuff going on in the bottom, and I think what I'm going to do is use a cell activator and not worry too much about it. And experiment. I still have to add some paint. And I want some Arteza in there. That's a green gold from Folk Art that's color shifting. I'm going to take my purple cell activator. And I think I opened my copper, so I'll use some of that. Make sure I got the curve in the right way. Grab a little black cell activator. Neither one of which is working. That's funny. Oh, it's coming. That's strange. Alright, I'm going to use my scrape dish. I think I left way too much paint on the bottom. I'm going to try my cell activator right on the card and see if that helps. And I bet it does. I'm just going to tip that back up again. Definitely want to tip this down again. Maybe I'll just put some more green in there. I wanted to put some trees in, but I'm really pretty sure I have way too much paint. It's an easy way to move some paint down. I say that now. I've got some good cells. I definitely have some good cells. I'm not sure if I'm in love with how they look. This just wound up being way too painty. And where's my copper go? Copper and a little bit more dioxazine purple. I'm over here wondering if I can use my balloon to add some trees. Doesn't seem like my best effort, to tell you the truth. But I could change my mind tomorrow. It's happened before. And my little balloon is right where it belongs. I kind of want to take my little tool because there's plenty of paint and pull through because I know it'll fill back in afterwards. Pretty sure anyway. I guess we'll find out. Totally. Want a different horizon line. Well, it's all too strange. It must be time for me to grab a little tool and wipe it off. Yep, too much paint. Trees tomorrow. I suppose I could try, but I don't see how it's going to work. No, not going to get any trees in there today. Not unless they're Dr. Seuss trees. Just twisting the glove. Pretty sure none of that is going to show up. Well, I could always just stick a sun in the sky and call it good. I could call it primitive anyway. And I am just dropping a little tiny drop of paint from my skewer. Wipe that off. Pull up from the black. Twist it around. So I pick up the pink. We got some weird trees. Might as well make them as strange as possible, right? There are some strange trees and I like them. Just going this way and that way and twisting. Boy, we got a lot of cells. I just want to take some of my cell activator, break up that one hard edge. Lesson learned about too much paint. Well, hopefully anyway. So I'll show you guys that before I continue to mess around. I am making my clouds upside down. I figure if the top is puffy, everything else will fall into place. Fortunately for me, I use GAC 800 by Golden. So when there's too much paint, I have an opportunity. That is Golden Hour. And I'm not sure what this is, but I'm pretty sure it's an Arteza. Metallic or iridescent. It could even sink away. Well, I'm not as disappointed as I was, and as long as the GAC 800 keeps the paint from cracking, I should be okay. It was kind of a strange experience, that, because I made all kinds of mistakes. But I just kept playing with it, so I recommend not giving up. I'll be looking at my edges to make sure that everything is where it's supposed to be. I love you guys. I hope you come again. I have over 83, oh, excuse me. I have a lot of videos. Not 8,300 of them. But I do have a lot, and you can find them on playlists, all playlists, created playlists. And I have to remember to not do this and try and make a recording while I'm distracted. And I'm going to remove my edge catcher, which is going to be pretty in pink. Take one more look at the sky and make sure that thing that looks like a scorpion goes away. You can actually blow spirals into clouds. Or into paint. I don't think I actually want them right now. I love you guys. I've got 28 seconds left. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to tell you guys, you've heard most of everything I have to tell you. I have a link tree under the video, and you can find the Gallerist clothing made in Montreal. You can find my Society 6 page. You can find all kinds of great stuff. My Amazon link is a perfect place to shop if you want to help me out, because eventually it does help me out. $2,300 videos is the number I was looking for. All organized by topic and genre and by the 100. If you can't find what you're looking for by going to my YouTube channel and looking for all playlists, created playlists, just ask me. I'm happy to help you. I have everything organized. Not that you'd know from this video. This was a little crazy. I've got one edge that's not quite right. I hope you guys come again. I post at 1 p.m. right now in the afternoon. And I will be cleaning up what I need to clean up. And grateful that that worked out as well as it did. Please share my videos. Thank you for the thumbs up. If you watch longer, you help me out. If you share, you help me out even more. Your comments keep my morale boosted. I have a monthly drawing, and if you want to be in the monthly drawing, look for the PayPal icon on the bottom right-hand corner of my